Here's the beauty box in the Mary Kay Fall Collection. Let's see what's inside. Whoa! I love the saying. And some fun packing. Woohoo! And your way to beautiful. Oh my, favorite products. The hydrogel eye patches, awesome. And one of the best sellers, the deep cleansing charcoal mask. What an awesome experience. And, ooh, my daughter's favorite, Lash Love, Fanorama. And what else? A liquid eyeshadow. Oh my, these are the best. They stay on forever. And this one's in Pink Starlight. Of course it's pink. Awesome products. Beautiful. Let me know if you want to find out how to get one for free.